Deboned chicken is perfect for this recipe. And remember to clean your chicken first. Usually I soak the chicken in cold water with some white vinegar for a few minutes. To the cut chicken pieces, add the spices, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, some nutmeg, cinnamon, as well as the garlic and ginger. All the ingredients as well as the instructions are well captured in the description box. Proceed to add about a quarter cup of plain yogurt and salt. I almost forgot the salt actually. Salt according to your taste. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for about an hour. If you can leave it overnight, the better. Meanwhile, soak some cashew nuts in hot water for 10 minutes and blend it. Finally, let's cook. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add some oil according to your preference. Then cook onions until they are translucent and let them brown a little bit. Add some garlic as they're browning, and if you'd like at this point, you can add a little bit of the spices that we used for the marinade. Proceed to add the marinated chicken, mix everything properly and let it cook over low heat for about 5 minutes. Remember to cover your food in between as you cook. Then add the cashew blend and the remaining yogurt. Stir everything very well and cover. Cook the mixture over low heat, stirring in between. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. And cover it towards the end to let it thicken a little bit more. Well, here's another addition to your food diversity household plan. Thank you so much for watching. For more food and agricultural content, keep it here. I will see you in the next one. Kwaheri.